How to adjust the Marzocco Strada AV. Place the portafilter onto weighing scale and tally the weight. Pull espresso dose. Check the weight. Level the coffee grounds and tamp using manual or automatic tamper. Long press the middle keypad till the screen change. To menu setting, press the double shot keypad to go group dose setting. Press the middle keypad to times. Insert the portafilter into group head. Place the weighing scale under the portafilter spout. Place on the shot glass and tally the weight. Press the keypad you desire to set. To stop pulling espresso before it getting desired volume, press the same keypad. Exit the menu setting. Thanks for watching.